Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a Moneylion personal loan. So this personal loan allows you to you could borrow money for personal expenses or financial emergencies, and it's pretty useful, pretty convenient, and here's a step-by-step guide on how to make use of that. First thing you got to do is to log into your Moneylion account using your email address and your password. And then once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the loans section by clicking on the loans tab. Next, you want to click on apply for a personal loan, and then now you got to select the loan amount. Of course, that's up to as much as Moneylion allows you to take or request. Next up, you want to enter your personal and financial information and then confirm the application. Then you just gotta wait for Moneylion to review and to approve your loan application, and if it's approved, the money is going to be deposited into your account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a Moneylion personal loan. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.